Welcome to this class. This class is brought to you by Sika Creative. My name is Nenta Isaiah and I will be your instructor on this class. Okay, this is a 3 days free class on video editing. Alright, so the app we are going to be using is called Kinemaster. So let's dive straight into it. So when you open your Kinemaster, if you tap on it to launch it, when you launch it, this is what the interface looks like. Okay, in my video editing class I make use of this illustration so that you can get everything I am trying to do. Okay, all right, so here you can see we have mix, we have search, we have create, we have me. Okay, all right, so since you are not on the premium version, you cannot make use of the mix and the search. In the mix here we have if you tap on this mix, you will see several templates some people created that you can make use, you can re-edit for yourself. Meanwhile, if you tap on this search categorize those templates under different sections. We have marketing, we have corporate, and so on and so forth. So let me tap on that search. So in this search you can see it categorize this template inside different sections. So you can see marketing, corporate, and education. Then we also have the search bar here, so you can use the search bar to search for any video, any template you are looking for. Then the mix here gives you access. You just scroll down, you can see different, you can see happy children's day, you can re-edit those videos for your own brand. Okay, so let's go back, tap on the create to go back. So when you tap on this create, well, our own main attention is to create a new project. So you tap on the new project to create a new project. So here we have you name your project from here. All right, so you name your project from here. If you have templates, if you have any template someone shared to you, you can import it using the button. So here we have the aspect ratio. This aspect ratio controls the let's say the aspect ratio of your video. So you can decide by yourself which type of video, which type of size you want to use for your video. Here we have the 9:16, which is used for TikTok and Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels. You can make use of that. So these are different aspect ratios you can make use of. Okay, all right, so these other aspect ratios for mainly for YouTube and even Facebook and Instagram. Now they allow this 16:9 aspect ratio. That is the rectangular aspect ratio. Okay, so if you tap on the advanced button here, you can see some other settings, but don't worry about those settings, it doesn't really matter for your work. Okay, so leave it at the default. All right, so now tap on the enter project name. So let me see, I'll just give my project name. So if I'm editing a promo video, so let's say sika creative promo video. Okay, something like this, promo video. So I'll just give my project name. So when I give my project name, I'll just tap on the create button here. Okay, so when I tap on the create button here, wait for it to create a project for me here. Okay, so here tap on, you can choose any video or any clip from your phone or any images from your phone as the background for your video. Okay, but for now I'm using images asset. So I'll tap on the images asset, then tap on the white background, which I want to use the white background for my video. That will be the clip. Okay, so when I tap on that, it will be added down here. Okay, look at it down here. So when I'm done with that, I'll just tap on the cancel button to cancel it. All right, so here we got to this point. So let me point you out. So this button here, we use that to go back. If you tap on that, it will take you back to where you will see new project. Okay, then this one is to undo, this one is to redo, and this one is for advanced editing to capture your screen and all that. Then this goes to your settings to set your video to fade in and fade out, your audio to fade in and fade out. Then this one opens up your for you to view your layers very well. So if you tap on that, you can see all my layers. I have so many layers, they will have been lined up here. Okay, that will give you that view. Then if you long press on the last one here, it shows move to the previous point, move to the beginning, and move to the end. So if I tap on move to the end, it will move my, this is called player, it will move my player to the end of my clip. All right, so those are the things you will need to know. All right, so the next one here is so here we have the, when you are done editing your video, you use that button to export your video. Then this is the media, this is to add audio to your video, you use this audio button. Then to record voiceover to your video, you use this record. Then these layers, you use this to add text, add use it to add text, add stickers, some advanced stuff you can do with that. Then the center button here is for camera. Then this one is the access store, and this one is to preview our work. Then what you see here is shows the time of the duration of our video that we are working on. Then this one is called the playhead, while this one is called a clip. All right, so in this work we have a single clip. All right, so if I go to media, you use this media to add a clip. So if I tap on my media, I tap on let me tap on this, so it will add another clip. So now we have two clips. We have clip 1 and we have clip 2. Okay, so those are the things we have there. All right, so now let's add a text to our work. So tap on the layer button, you can see you can add a media. When you add a media using a layer button, it will come in as a layer, it will come in below here. So anything I add from this place, if I add anything from this place, it will be added as a layer below our clip. Okay, all right, so now if I want to add a media, I'll use this add an effect. For those, if you are not on premium, you cannot make use of this. Okay, so here you can add stickers, you can add text, and you can add handwriting. This handwriting means shapes. These are shapes you can draw in on Kinemaster straight. Okay, so let me add a text. I'll tap on the text, so let me type what I want to type. So here sika creative, so let's say this. All right, so initially when you add a text, okay, it will come in as the default color is white. Okay, so you have to scroll down this point to change the color using this color. So if I tap on that color here, you can now change the color to any color you want. If you scroll up, you can change the font from here. When we start working on project, you will get to know more of that. So there you can change the font. Okay, if you long press, you can see our text is starting from this point. Meanwhile, we want our text, see our text now is starting from this point. Meanwhile, we want our text to start from the beginning of the video. So to do that, long press on the text layer and move it to the beginning of the video. Okay, so if you tap on that text, you can add animation to it. You can add overall animation. This is the first one is in animation, the second one overall animation, out animation. Okay, so if I can add in animation, I can make it pop, I can make it slide. So different animations are here. I can do letter by letter, something like that. So depending on what fits the video you are working on. So if I tap on the preview button to preview it, it will play like this. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So those are the things for this introductory class. Okay, so when we start, all right, I forgot to tell you something. So this one is the access store. This access store is only available for those using the premium version. Some of you have seen the videos I've created. Okay, you can, with this free version, it will not give you that access to create those quality videos I create. So all right, so that is the end of the introductory class. Now, so the next class we are going to edit a video so that you will see how it is done. All right, so I will see you in the next video.